Welcome to the Ultimate Navratri Countdown exhibit, all happening at the Bohemian Gallery. They have something for everyone, so shopping for the entire family, all happening under one roof. There are a total of 16 brands, so each slide contains 2 brands. Do check them out.
So we are here for 2 days at the Bohemian Gallery. Timings will be 10:30 to 7:30, and don't forget we do have valet parking also.
Absolutely, and to check out the collection, swipe left. Is brand Pure Soul by Ruchi. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Yes. So she has brought beautiful set options if you're looking something, for other than Navratri look as well. Then you have all those pieces here in beautiful color options with Kachi Bharat work, with something in ombre. Very pretty. Look at that. She has only dupattas as well as blouses also. Very pretty. This is brand Femme Viva. Hello ma'am.
Hello. I have this type of catwalk dresses.
Catwalk dresses means both બધું collection છે.
એમાં કલર
Okay.
ઓપ્શન મળી જશે.
Color options મળી જવાના છે
Sizes
તમને.
can be customized.
Sizes can be customized. Pretty. Look at that.
Actually,
Linen one pieces, shirts. Look at that. Quad sets bhi છે એમની પાસે. Very pretty. Vacation wear માં બી એમની પાસે options છે.
हेलो माय ब्रांड नेम श्री वैष्णवी कलेक्शन, दुपट्टा कलेक्शन मेरा।
Okay.
इस पे आपको कलर मिल जाएगा।
सो दुपट्टा में आपको बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस मिलने वाले हैं. लुक एट दैट. वेरी प्रिटी.
इस पे भी कलर का, इस पे भी आपको कलर मिल जाएगा।
यस, लुक एट दैट. ब्यूटीफुल.
फिर हेवी विंटेज में भी दुपट्टा,
हेवी में अगर विंटेज में आपको जाना है तो आपको यहाँ पे वो भी मिल जाएगा. वेरी प्रिटी.
ब्लाउज कलेक्शन में भी मेरा काफी है, टिश्यू ब्लाउजेज है।
दे ऑल्सो हैव ब्लाउजेस का कलेक्शन यहाँ पे. उसके साथ साथ जो उनका फेमस स्पेशलिटी ऑफ साड़ीज हैं,
देखिए मैं पहन भी
समथिंग दैट मैम
My new
herself is
collection.
wearing. न्यू कलेक्शन है उनका. ओके.
इस पे भी कलर मिल जाएगा आपको।
ओके. Look at that.
बांधनी में हैंडवर्क।
Beautiful. This is Sadgi by Sanjana. Hello ma'am.
We have these kind of sharara sets.
Sharara set. So now that Diwali is right around the corner, she has brought beautiful pieces. अनारकली है, कुछ अगर आपको हार्डवर्क के साथ चाहिए तो वो भी अवेलेबल है. Look at that. Very pretty. Okay. All right.
Something what I have.
Lovely. Then she has more options in something ivory, very subtle yet very classy, chic looking pieces. Look at that. Corset anarkali. Look at that. Very pretty.
Kind of something in the western cuts.
Beautiful. Angarkha patterns also.
Sharara dresses.
Lovely.
I'm Bhumika from 1111 by PB, and
Okay.
we have men's kurta,
Alright.
which are on offers.
So they have men's kurta on offers from flat 25% to 50%.
500 rupees.
Okay, beautiful.
Some hand paint collection, which is for the whole set is for 12,000.
Look at that. Very pretty.
We have blouses which are trending right now.
If you want something in Diwali hampers as well as corporate gifting hampers, this is the right brand to come to. This is the Dessert Stories. They have beautiful combination of some very yummy desserts, and they have their very famous super selling Nutella tub cakes. They have brownies, almond fudge, cake pops as well. So do check them out.
My brand name is Chaitari Exclusive
Okay.
और ये कलेक्शंस है मेरा, वाइन कलर है।
ओके. पूरे सेट ऑप्शंस हैं उनके पास. ऑलराइट. बहुत क्यूट किड्स वेयर भी हैं. लुक एट दैट. हाउ प्रिटी. हाउ क्यूट.
backless blouse.
Okay. This is brand Autocraft all the way from Baroda, and they have brought beautiful, unique pieces. Long में options हैं. They have these tight chokers as well. These are all statement pieces, investments that you can make, beautiful additions to your wardrobe. They are going to be beautiful. Look at that. और एक चीज़ जो है, इनके सारे चोकर्स जो जूलरी के पीछे ऐसे आपको क्लॉथ मिल जाएगा. So it's not going to create any irritation at all. Look at that. Beautiful. This brand Adya label. Yes, ma'am.
Mine is double layered.
पूरा डबल लेयर्ड में if you want something. इसके साथ पूरा कॉन्ट्रास्ट में कुछ चाहिए. Then you wow. Full blue and shades of blue.
Peach collection.
More pitch collection. Wow, very different collection. Beautiful. This is Penny's Fashion Hub, and she has brought beautiful set options. So if you want something in the same look, if you want something contrast, if you want something vibrant, subtle, dupatta, only blouses, mix and match, you have all the possible options here. Look at that. Very pretty. Blouses may be sleeveless, halter necks, backless. And yet again, you can use these blouses in different, ways as well. Very pretty.
One name is Deepika Yavlekar, and we have a lots of collection in white.
Okay.
So
के लिए भी पहन सकते हो. Beautiful. Look at that.
कस्टमाइज भी करते हैं.
Okay.
तो आप कुछ पसंद करके कस्टमाइज भी करवा सकते हो.
Okay, so you can get it customized. Then definitely. This is brand Aurora Elegance, and they have a beautiful collection, different varieties of jewelry. This is their entire collection of something very pretty. Look at that. We have different rings के options हैं उनके पास. Very beautiful. These are all their premium pieces. So for earrings, if you're looking for something for kids collection, bracelets, some daily wear bracelets, some charms, some brooches. And then this is brand Two Sisters, and they have beautiful collection. 7,000 के अंदर आपको set options मिल जाएंगे. Beautiful separates के भी options हैं उनके पास. So you can mix and match as well as get these very beautiful, colorful, vibrant looking set options. Very pretty. Look at that. So a lot of options in a lot of pieces. If you are somebody who loves vibrant, something subtle, monochrome, then they have it all. Look at that. Beautiful. Moving on to the most desired collection, that is kids collection. We have Poplin Dreams here. They have beautiful, cute looking, comfortable kids wear, जहाँ पे आपको सारा collection मिलने वाला है for girls as well as for boys. You can twin, you can mix and match. You will get everything here. Their entire fabric is super comfortable, so no worries at all. This is brand Poplin Dreams. This is brand Satara Couture, and they have brought beautiful set options. Look at that. Very pretty. Something that all of us are loving right now. Long blouse के साथ पूरा beautiful घेर वाला उसका लहंगा. अगर contrast में full जाना है mirror work के साथ, वो भी she has beautiful collection. Trust me, जो मैम ने खुद पहना है. If you want something like that, and उसमें भी color options आपको मिल जाएंगे. अगर आपको spaghetti में कुछ चाहिए, then this is the right choice. This is brand House of Kush. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, this is Kushi here. We got our sets this time with the corset blouses.
Okay.
We have color option also. We have something with the contrast and something with the set.
Beautiful.
Then
They have only dupatta options as well.
we have something in pure chinon like what I'm wearing with the 15 to 17 meter of flare.
Pure chinon.
Each of our color plus add on some more color as well.
Beautiful.
This is the last chance also and last pieces also.